there was one time when with the chief ticket you're sitting as a fourth engineer, and there was one time without even becoming a fourth and a third, you're becoming a second engineer.
Yes.
And that span happened within
24
months.
to 30 months.
24-30. Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mother. This video is very important because we have got Ramesh Subramanian here, who passed out from MERI Kolkata in 1985 and is
DMET.
from DMET. Yeah, that time
उसके बाद में MERI, उसके बाद में IMU.
Yes sir. तो DMET से pass out हुए 1985 में, and I have heard throughout my life about that slump of 1987 to 1990 where there was tough, bad time. So sir, you have gone through that bad time and you have seen the good times as well in shipping. And today shipping is again going through that time where we see that waiting period in some companies, too much demand and supply का खेल है. And we have heard from in shipping industries like aviation industry where it goes like this. So sometimes it goes up, sometimes it goes down. So probably that was the darkest phase of shipping industry, I would say. So can you tell briefly about it? Ki what you had gone through, how many months did you do, and what challenges you have seen with others who were struggling that time?
Talking about this dynamic changing, I'll tell you. I joined in 1981. Na? So 81 to 82, people were telling us, अरे तू यह पढ़ाई करने को आया? No need to study. Why? Because 100 लोग निकल रहे हैं तो 200 जॉब पड़ी हुई. एक ही कंपनी SCI is taking 250 people. Jobs, I mean number of people only 100. एक बंदे को 3 जॉब है. So who has understood the guys, he loves engineering and the guys who are in love with physics and फलाना thermodynamics वही लोग पढ़ेंगे ना. बाकी लोग तो करियर वाले हैं. आपने नौकरी है तो फिर चलो यार हॉकी खेलो, ये खेलो, चलो बाहर जाओ. All that is happening. So it was in our head कि यार पढ़ाई वढ़ाई की no need to study much. The guys were job oriented. Jobs are there. And your seniors also telling yaar you can't learn much in college. The real learning happens on the ship. So people are also got no ठीक है. Whatever you learn has to be on the ship only. So let us face it. So ऐसे करके चल रहा है. But then the dramatic turnover. By the time we passed out, for 100 of us, only 25 jobs.
4 साल के अंदर everything changed.
एकदम धक्के खा रहा है.
अच्छा आपने भी धक्के खाए?
धक्के खाए इमीडिएटली. कहाँ 4 जॉब? अभी तो 4 महीना घर में बैठा है, नौकरी नहीं है किधर की.
फिर देन
रोज जा रहे हैं, ओके कम टुमारो, जा रहे हैं कम टुमारो, जा रहे हैं सर कम टुमारो. ऐसे कर करके अब तक 4-5 महीने के बाद में एक नौकरी लगी. तो दैट वाज दैट शिप वेयर आई टोल्ड यू. 18 साल वाला बंदा 3rd इंजीनियर एंड 12 साल जो जहाज में है वो 4th इंजीनियर. एंड that ship of course they were uncertified because of the experience, but though there are people with chief certificate who are joining as 4th.
Chief MEO class 1 ticket and they joining as 4th. That was such a bad time. हाँ. इतना बुरा टाइम तो अभी भी नहीं है guys. हाँ. We still complain.
वो भी after waiting. After 2 months we'll give you a ship, but you have to join as 4th. Sir, I cleared my chiefs. अरे ये पब्लिक को सैलरी भी तो चाहिए. If you say no, I am chief तो बोला बैठे रहे. फिर another after 2 years I'll make you chief. तो अरे यार ठीक है 4th ही सही, नौकरी तो लगी. So that was the situation. So I joined the ship. 5 साल बना. फिर it's going on and on. धक्के खा रहे हैं. छुट्टी अप्लाई नहीं करी क्योंकि छुट्टी में जाएगा तो वापस जहाज नहीं मिलेगा. छुट्टी में गया तो वापस जहाज नहीं मिलेगा. So पूरा 24 months निकाल के उतरना. 84 whatever propelling time. बीच में उतरेगा तो या finished. So most of my batchmates I think must have done 24 months straight at a stretch. At a stretch.
आपने फर्स्ट सेलिंग कितने महीने की थी आपकी?
मेरा फर्स्ट सेलिंग वाज one ship, 9 months, 9.5 months. वो भी लेअप हो गया. गुजरात में जाके ब्लैकआउट कर दिया. मैं 3 महीना बैठा हूँ, नो जनरेटर. मॉर्निंग आधा घंटा इमरजेंसी जनरेटर चालू करो, जल्दी से 1 घंटा बनाओ, उसके बाद बंद करके बैठो, सिर्फ बैठो, कुछ नहीं कर सकते. सो दैट वाज हैपनिंग. And one most खतरनाक thing was you have to go and emergency generator का डीजल ऑयल टैंक को भरना है. जनरेटर है ही नहीं ना, you don't have, सब बंद है ना. इंजन रूम में अपना टॉर्च लेके जाके वो अपना 200 टाइम वो ना हाथ से घुमाना है ना. नीचे बॉटम प्लेटफॉर्म में दैट सर्विस टैंक इतना वहाँ से चढ़ाना है ऊपर हाथ से. तो 500 टाइम्स वगैरह तो अपना वो मजल अभी भी है देख. सो उसको चढ़ा के फिर वो चलेगा 3-4 दिन चलेगा. फिर वो जल्दी से चालू करो अपना हाइड्रोफोर वगैरह चालू जल्दी हाफ एन आवर कंपनी बोला नॉट मोर देन हाफ एन आवर दिस शुड रन. सो हाइड्रोफोर चालू करो, जल्दी से जाओ नहाओ, दाई बाई देते भंडारी में जल्दी से ऑमलेट बनाया, इधर उधर फिर भागो बिल जस्ट इतने सारे भर गए ना, बिल जस्ट निकालो, नो 15 ppm, दिस इज दो डेज व्हेन IOP वाज नॉट इवन हर्ड ऑफ, ठीक है ना, वो फिर बिल जस्ट को निकालो, ये करो वो करो करके आके फिर जल्दी बाय दैट टाइम वो जनरेटर में बंद, फिर ऑमलेट खा के तो ऐसे करके निकला। फिर फॉर्चुनेटली रोया पीटा, सर मेरे को प्रॉब्लम टाइम नहीं मिल रही है, प्लीज प्लीज प्लीज, तो बोला कंपनी ने मेरे को एक रिव्यूअर भेजा, दे ऑल्सो सेड इतना बड़ा क्रू मेंटेन का क्या है, एक पांचू को निकाल, चलो पांचू को निकाल दो। सो he took me out and then one of my friend came and told me कि यार बॉस दूसरी कंपनी में they want a पांचू जॉब है, सो इफ यू आर विलिंग टू, आज जाएगा तो तेरे को तू फिट हो सकता है। तो मैं गया, हाँ 15 year, yeah, I want a 15 year to join a ship tomorrow. I'm very good, sir. From where you come? Sir, I'm just straight away, I'm coming from Gujarat. Yesterday night only I signed off from ship. So I just go home and I'll come day after tomorrow. Home, then go home. Tomorrow morning my flight is to Vizag and the ship is leaving tomorrow evening. If you are willing, you join the ship tomorrow morning or you go home. No. So because I will not get another job, next day morning I was on a flight to Vizag.
And then there, how many months did you do?
14 months.
So 14 plus 99 and a half, 23 and a half, 24 months आपने भी
घर आया तो यार मेरा घर की तरह वही भूल गया है।
2 years अच्छा stretch हो गए सर। So
So I became 14 year, the last 2 months.
अच्छा,
Last 2 months I was 14 years. See,
उस time पे there was no MEO class
by
for
the
exam or
time
something?
I finished this 18 months or whatever, 24 months, ना shipping had turned around. Just imagine, I am 15 year और मेरे को fourth बनाया without certificate. Can you see
Again
this?
फिर से 2 साल के अंदर पूरा गेम बदल गया।
हाँ अरे I am already fourth without certificate. तो उतर के आया मैं, me and lot of my batchmates also got ना that time. मैं तो खैर I joined back with my second class certificate and I became third engineer straight third for 3 months.
And then second.
That's second. अच्छा ये तो still I had been a fourth and I had been a third. तो ज़्यादा नहीं मालूम। तो as a 15 year whatever you know, but I have not worked too much as a third and as a fourth.
And you became a second.
And I am a second. मेरा batchmate got on as fifth and joined as second. मैं उसको बोलता हूँ somewhere we met, वो बोलता है अरे यार हमें समझ में नहीं आ रहा यार, एवरीडे मॉर्निंग उधर आके 15 वो टंडल का सब लोग खड़ा है, फॉलिन में बोलता है कि साहब सेकंड साहब क्या काम करेगा, अरे इनको क्या काम देगा यार, he was a 15 year directly second, but he managed obviously, you learn on the job.
Today he is good, मतलब अभी कैसा चल रहा है?
After some time everything life evens out, तो ठीक है, doesn't matter.
Agreed, ये तो सर मैं agree करता
It
हूँ।
doesn't matter what you did. 15-20 साल के बाद में सब एक ही लेवल में
सब एक ही लेवल, ये I agree. But the thing was कि वो बिना fourth बने third बने was second year. That was so there was one time when with the chief ticket you were sitting as a fourth engineer, and there was one time without even becoming a fourth and a third, you're becoming a second engineer.
Yes.
And that span happened within
25
24 months.
to 30 months.
24, 30. So guys, this is shipping. So I had heard a lot about 1987 bad period. Today I've realized कि how shipping changed. तो आपका भी वक्त बदलेगा. But again, I want to say just one thing. That if you're, some people say, sir, this happens all the time. They're telling me.
Let me tell you, ये तो हम लोगों की इंजीनियर की कहानी। मेरा जो खास दोस्त है, कैप्टन, just you have to look at the deck side also, no? राजेंद्र पाटी जो मेरे अपने साथ, अपने नहीं हमसे 2 साल सीनियर, but almost they are out because they are finishing the cadetship and coming. So अपने जो सीनियर, हमारे जो सीनियर है राजेंद्र में, they are now coming back fully cadetship करके second grade का सर्टिफिकेट लेके आ रहे हैं, तो they should be joining as fourth officer. 2 years people are selling blades in Bombay. वो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक आइटम निकलती ना, सर्च लाइट, वो वेंडर्स आते हैं ना, वो तुम ले लो. Lot of people are doing that job. They are getting paid by the hour for अरे वो जाए में जाके वॉचमैन बन के बैठ जा, आ जा. ऐसे ऐसे भी बंदे लोग गुजार रहे हैं, राजेंद्रा वाले, फॉर अ शॉर्ट टाइम. नौकरी नहीं. I know my captain told me the story. You know, I was selling blades. Whatever.
And they must be valuing the job so much right now that they got it.
हाँ. बट ऐसे भी जमाना आया कि जो कैडेट बन के सेकंड मेट सर्टिफिकेट लेके थर्ड मेट लेके, वो यार नौकरी नहीं है तो कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा ना. यू कैन, those days people are not, you know, everybody is coming from very humble background. You can't go back to your dad and say, daddy पैसा दो. people are embarrassed also.
सर मर्चेंट नेवी आज भी उन्हीं लोगों के लिए बनी है. I would say that because they don't have a backup, they won't look back and they will
Correct.
sail and they will perform well, I guess.
So they didn't want to ask their father and all. तो जो भी है यार 100 रुपया मिला कम से कम फादर से तो नहीं ले रहे ना. They had a lot of pride कि मैं कुछ भी करूँगा लेकिन मैं मेरे
पापा से नहीं
लूँगा पैसे. He's already spent enough for me to put me in Rajendra or DMET. कितना स्पेंड किया? 4 साल में 20,000 रुपया.
But उस टाइम के 20
बड़े थे.
तब education loan नहीं मिलता.
My salary was more than my dad's salary when he was almost
Retiring.
after 20 years of government service, not gazetted of the government. जब मैं ज्वाइन किया तो मेरा डैड का सैलरी और मेरा सेम था.
That's the difference.
So, but then नहीं मिला नौकरी तब तक तो धक्के खाए.
So guys, this is what I'm saying. Have patience. Keep sailing. मौका मिले तो please perform well so that different nationalities we compete well and different national people say, the owners say that we only need Indians on board ship. That is where our demand will increase and will perform.
When you are talking about this, maybe it's a little bit out of topic, but I like to use this platform to share with you our observation. Maybe as I was telling you, I was doing hydraulic courses all over the place. ना एक चीज मैं honestly I would like to tell you, time consciousness and discipline, those guys are beating us. The Chinese हो जाए, Myanmari हो जाए, है ना? If I say my class begins at 8:30, 8:25 को all the chief engineers are already sitting in the desk. But when we have an Indian crew, तो 8:30 क्लास चल रहा है तो 8:45 का एक बंदा आता है. You know, I mean there are fantastic guys, but since I have done so much, I can see the basic average देखा ना time में Chinese and those guys.
They're disciplined. They value time.
Filipinos, they appear to be. I mean, I can talk only on the basis of the sample which I am seeing, है ना? So उसमें भी अच्छे बुरे तो होते हैं, but
सर आपने 180 हाइड्रोलिक कोर्सेज करे हैं तो you have sufficient sample.
यूक्रेनियन, रशियन, इधर उधर all that, चाइनीज एंड फिलिपिनोज वगैरह जो मैं देख रहा हूँ 8:30 बोले तो 8:30 है. Whereas there are other places 8:30 बोलेगा तो 8:30 means 8:45.
वो न्यू नॉर्म है.
न्यू नॉर्म.
फिर वो न्यू नॉर्म 9 हो जाएगा.
हाँ ठीक है. जहाज में प्रॉब्ली देर अरे 8:30 वॉच हो सकता था. आई डोंट नो, बट छुट्टी में थोड़ा, पर छुट्टी में भी ये लोग टाइम के पक्के. सो आई डोंट नो द बिगर पिक्चर एज अ कंपनी ऑन द बिगर लेवल. आर दे रिक्रूटर्स, आर दे की सीइंग अरे इंडियन क्रू, ये क्रू कोई कंपेयर करता है कि नहीं करता? वी डोंट नो. आई डोंट नो ऑनेस्टली बिकॉज आई एम नॉट इनटू दैट स्पेस. बट डेफिनेटली वी हैव टू बी डिसिप्लिन एज इंडियंस. अपना तो कॉम्पिटेंसी होना चाहिए, बट कॉम्पिटेंसी है लेकिन डिसिप्लिन नहीं है तो फिर थोड़ा वी लैक. So we are still having a very good name to my knowledge.
As far as officers and engineers are concerned, crew में we have lagged. I think so. कभी Filipinos.
Crew को तो मैं कभी handle नहीं किया.
नहीं. But I have talked to a lot of people. They say कि crew में Filipinos are far better than Indians. That is what I
don't know. So थोड़ा सा that time consciousness is I mean है तो थोड़ा gap maybe there. Those people.
We'll keep working, sir. Maybe to be very honest, I'm not a very मतलब punctuality I also lack, and I think so कि I cannot preach this thing to them. But as Indians, definitely we need to learn that, including me guys out here. With this, another great lesson about 1987 about shipping. Very important. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata.